cloud and desktop IDE framework, website repositories, releases, scope roadmap, getting started, contributing feedback, documentation, license, trademark, website. Visit the Eclipse Theia website for more information and the Theia documentation. Repositories. This is the main repository for the Eclipse Theia project, containing the sources of the Theia platform. Please open generic discussions, bug reports, and feature requests about Theia on this repository. The Theia project also includes additional repositories, e.g. for the artifacts building the Theia IDE and the Theia website. Please also see the overview of all Theia project repositories. Releases. All available releases are available on GitHub, including changelogs. Detailed release announcements are linked on the Theia website. Community releases are listed on the Theia website. Visit the release website for more information. Scope support. Building browser-based and desktop IDEs and tools provide a highly flexible architecture for adopters. Support VS Code extension protocol. Develop under vendor-neutral open-source governance. More details on the project goals are available on the Theia website. Roadmap. See our roadmap for an overview about the current project goals and the upcoming releases. Getting started. Here you can find guides and examples for common scenarios to adopt Theia. Get an overview of how to get started on the Theia website. Develop a Theia application, your own IDE tool. Learn about Theia's extension mechanisms. Develop a VS Code-like extension. Develop a Theia extension. Test a VS Code extension in Theia. Package a desktop Theia application with Electron. Contributing. Read below to learn how to take part in improving Theia. Fork the repository and run the examples from source. Get familiar with the development workflow, coding guidelines, code of conduct, and sign the Eclipse Contributor Agreement. Find an issue to work on and submit a pull request. First time contributing to open source? Pick a good first issue to get you familiar with GitHub contributing process. First time contributing to Theia? Pick a beginner-friendly issue to get you familiar with Codebase and our contributing process. Want to become a committer? Solve an issue showing that you understand Theia objectives and architecture. Here is a good list to start. Further, have a look at our roadmap to align your contributions with the current project goals. Could not find an issue? Look for bugs, typos, and missing features. Feedback. Read below how to engage with Theia community. Join the discussion on GitHub. Ask a question, request a new feature, and file a bug with GitHub issues. Vote on existing GitHub issues by reacting with AI. We regularly check issues with votes. Star the repository to show your support. Follow Theia on Twitter. Join the weekly developer call Documentation API, Documentation General Documentation, VS Code API Compatibility Report. Useful links. Developing Testing Migration Guide, API Integration, Testing Coding Guidelines, Code Organization Plugin and VS Code API License. Eclipse Public License 2.0. New General Public License, version 2 with the new ClassPath exception trademark Theia, is a trademark of the Eclipse Foundation. Learn more.